landscape is changing. And in an increasingly demanding environment, you need the best dogs and training available to ensure success. Reinventing the way that we train and utilize police dogs is the path to creating more effective canine units. Complacency is death on a stick, and you need the best training available in the industry today. Our innovation in police canine and handler training is what makes us a leader in the industry. Not all police dogs are created equal. Before you rely on them, count on us.
These dogs aren't normal dogs.